Today we're going to go over fitting true to size 50 caliber ammo in a TR50 drum. Here is a stock drum. As you will see, the balls do not drop in. You will have to press them in to size the drum for the first time. If you can't get them seated, you can push down on the drum like such. You don't need to drill, you don't need to hone, you don't need to do anything other than just press that ball in the first time. Each time you fit the true to size projectile in the drum, it becomes a little easier as it has formed those holding ribs a little bit better for that true to size projectile. The factory bore size of a TR50 barrel is roughly 0.503. This projectile is a 0.500. It's a wonderful bore match for the TR50 50 caliber launchers. Thank you.